Hey guys, we are back with another RV tour, and behind me we have a Cougar 320 RDS with its massive master room, closet, rear living, and so much more. You're going to want to see it. Before we step inside, we're going to see this pass-through storage. Check this out. You can make this another sleeping space if you want. Come on. So we're going to start with this kitchen. I really like the U-shaped look to the kitchen because it gives you the effect of clean here, prep here, cook here. So you're literally within arm's distance of everything you need while you're cooking. You have a good sized pantry that'll fit not only your favorite cereals, but also your hamburger helpers and all the other necessities you might bring to the campground. Here you have more storage for maybe cups and mugs because you can set your Keurig or your espresso machine down here. Have yourself a little coffee station. Yeah, that's the kitchen. Let's check out this rear living. Perfect entertainment area with your L-shaped sofa. You can fit your entire family, your entire friend group, or just you and your best friend. You get one side, they get the other side. Everyone has room. You have your table over here as well. You can sit 4 people, and if you have an extra chair, you can even get a 5th person on the end to enjoy all those meals. No, the TV is not inexistent. It is just a space saver. This is the televator, so if we just put this puppy up, you get the point. This will come all the way up for a nice big flat screen TV to watch your favorite movie or your favorite team. Go Guardians. All right, up the stairs, you have your bathroom. So you have your stand-up shower with your skylight to give yourself that more roomy feel while you're showering. You have your porcelain toilet for, like I always say, to keep the sticky smells out. And you have your getting ready station. You have a good amount of counter space to hold soaps, face washes, anything you need. And you might think this mirror is very big. There's no way it's a medicine cabinet. Ha! Gotcha! You have a nice, spacious medicine cabinet to hold all your necessities, and you also have storage underneath the sink as well. And last but not least, to the master bedroom. Right here is where you're going to get nice, comfy, and cozy for a good night's rest. You can mount a TV right here, right above your dresser. This closet, the main thing I really like about this closet, you can go in and check it out, is you have almost like a bench. So whether you want to put your shoes there or just extra things, you can also use that as a place to sit, to put your shoes on or take them off. And you have a washer and dryer prep as well. And I don't know about you guys, but having that in the bedroom sounds like the most convenient thing possible. Actual houses should be like that too. There's no reason to walk all the way down to the basement and all the way up to your room to do laundry. It's too much work. And there you have it. That is the Keystone Cougar 320 RDS. This is a pretty hot floor plan, so you're going to want to come to our lot and get them before they're gone. We are at Avalon RV Center in North Ridgeville, Ohio, now a part of the RCD RV family. See you next time.